Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another review video. Now before we get started, I'd just like to remind you, if you want your product reviewed by me on this channel right here on Mike's Man Cave, please contact me on my email address listed below. Today we're going to be taste testing the Byron beef jerky and teriyaki flavour. Now you can see a bit of a stick on there, that's because it was on special. These have been on sale at my local IGA store. They normally cost $7.95 for 40 grams, which I mentioned in another video is insane. That's just under $200 a kilo for beef jerky, which is, yeah, it's more than what I'm willing to pay, put it this way. It is a good quality beef jerky. I have already reviewed another flavour of these, and it was pretty good. Now, the other good points of this stuff is it is grass-fed, no added hormones and no artificial preservatives. It tells you up there. Now on the back here, it also says 100% prime Australian beef, no added hormones, free-range grass-fed, no fillers, MSG free, no artificial preservatives. And this stuff, obviously being beef jerky, is a good source of protein. So let's just rip it open, because this is a taste test, not a health test. And let's see what it tastes like. Oh, geez, it smells like teriyaki. Here's a look inside the bag. I'll try and get this focused for you. Like most of the other Byron beef jerkies I've tried, it's little pieces like that. And there's quite a few little pieces like that in there. There you go. And most of the Byron beef jerky here, it says premium air dried jerky. It is a lot drier than what I personally like it, but I'm not going to harp on about it because that's just the nature of this brand. And a lot of beef jerkies are quite dry. Actually, that one's not too bad. It's got a nice flavour. Look, it was only a small piece. It's got a nice flavour. Not sure it was teriyaki though. Let's try a bigger piece. It does have some chilli on there and it does have a little bit of a chilli bite. Look, it's just got more like a generic jerky flavour. I can't really get any teriyaki flavour out of it. I can smell it. I can smell the teriyaki, but look, it doesn't taste like teriyaki. I think the last one of these we did was a smoky flavour, and you could really get the smoky flavour out of it. It did taste really smoky, and it was quite nice. I think I gave it a 7 out of 10. It's more like a salty beef jerky. It is quite salty. And not excessively. It's good for jerky, but look, definitely not teriyaki flavour. For teriyaki flavoured jerky, I'd probably give it a 4 out of 10. Not really teriyaki flavour. For jerky overall, probably give it a 6 out of 10. It's nothing special. Definitely not worth $200 a kilo, or $8 for 40 grams. I actually get this a lot in my reviews. I mean, if you follow my videos, like, it's teriyaki flavour. Like, put some teriyaki flavour in there. Like, seriously. Put some teriyaki flavour in your jerky. Not hard. Just like the other one, the smoky jerky had smoky flavour. If you've tried this flavour, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And also let me know what your favourite beef jerky is. In the meantime, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.